seriously. So I would like to bring into the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to expedite for the rehabilitation center for the drug addicts also. Because we have seen only in my district also, in our district in Bhoi, there are no rehabilitation center run by the government. The rehab center is run by private institution, which is very costly. It costs up to 10 to 15,000 per month to pay for the parents, especially the poor family from where they will get. So I would like to bring the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to expedite possibility to have a rehabilitation center run by the government, free of cost or at a minimal cost, so that those families they can pay. Sir, this is the crime committed by many, so we have to work together. I would urge through this call attention to the local institution, be it the headman or the NOCMAS, the civil society, the NGO, the women's group, the youth group. We have to come together to work so that we can nab the culprit and so that we'll do away with this menace within our society. So I would like to send a very clear message to the youth of our state that we have to say no to drugs. Let me repeat, say no to drugs before it will be too late for our state. We have seen the state like Punjab or even in Western country, the effect of drugs in each and every family. Many families have been broken. Many relationships between parents and children has been shattered. So we would like to see that this issue will be taken up very seriously, because we have life is only once. Once we lose it, it will never regain again. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to raise this call attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Home. We would like to see in days to come, police will be more proactive in days to come so that we can nab the culprit. At the same time, a very clear message has to be sent to the young people of our state that we have to say no to drugs. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to raise this call attention.
Thank you.